Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Recently, more and more customers received the DIY box from our factory with the JK BMS. When they open the box and they are wondering what the accessory is usage. So today's video, I'd like to tell you guys more details about the components inside the JK BMS, how it is to use. Okay, let's go. First, this is the mainboard of the JK BMS. It is the type of the BMS is 16 series, 200 ampere for continuous discharge and 2 amperes for the active balance current. This is the mainboard. They have the terminal and need to connect with the mainboard. Here it is. This one, they have the two wires. The two wires. This side terminal is to connect to the PCB board, and for another side of the terminal, they marked the 1, 2, 3. They have 4 black wire. The 4 black wire is the NTC. They have 4 NTC: NTC 1, NTC 2, NTC 3, and NTC 4. By each different number, you need to lock with the different socket. They have the NTC 1, then you choose the NTC. You choose the NTC 1 wire to lock them in. If they're the NTC 2, to lock the NTC 2 socket here. It is very easy, lock one by one. And another is this side is to make the communication board. This one is to lock with the first P1 socket. This wire is to connect the P1 socket. And for these two wire with the P2 and P3. This P1, P2, P3 socket is to make the communication board RS485 and the CAN. This is the communication wire. And for there is also have this socket. This socket is to connect with the display, the display of the battery. This is the display. And for here, it has the BAT plus. It means this here is to power the BMS. So you need to lock the power wire of the BMS here, then lock another side to the battery. This one is used for the power BMS. And for this wire is the heating pad. If you buy the heating pad, then you can use this wire. You can lock this one to this socket. Then the other side is to add the heating pad wire to heating the battery when you need. If you didn't have the heating pad, this wire is no usage. And they also have the socket of this one. You need to add here to socket this here to socket here. Actually, this is no special need. It is only for some requirement by different designer. I will send you guys the details specification of this socket to use. Actually, for normal DIY for the solar, it is no much usage. This one is the wire for CAN and communication. If you want to connect two battery together, then you need to use this wire. Here is the details how to connect the battery for you guys' reference. You can have a look of it. This is the communication wire with the CAN, because when you need to make the power of the battery, you need to make both battery in the similar situation. Both need to charge, both need to discharge. This is very important for the two batteries to communication. This wire. And they also have a switch if you already ordered the display from us, then you don't need this wire is no usage. Yes, because this is the first set from the JK. Some of customer they didn't order the DIY full set, then they need this then they need this switch to power on their battery. Yes, but if you already ordered the DIY kit from our factory, there is no need this wire. This wire is no need. And finally is the screws, and this one. Screws is to lock the different screws of the panel. You already ordered the DIY full set from us. This wire, this two wire is no need because this is for the heating. Then if you didn't have the heating pad, this is the no usage. This is the switch for the display. For the display we offered at the DIY kit, there is no need this one, so this is no need. Above is a very simple introduction for the JK BMS of the PB16 series 200 ampere with 2 amperes active balance BMS, the components inside the BMS, how to use it. I hope this simple introduction can help you guys. So if you are looking for the lithium battery for your solar energy storage and also for some electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, you can contact with me freely. I will try to offer the best price with the best service for you guys. Thank you for your watching and see you next video. Bye.